Hello guys, I've just started this video to show you what I made. This is like a AI virtual assistant that can help you with anything. Let's start. Show you what I made. So basically what this does is it takes a command and uses all the modules to play stuff. So let's start and see how it works. This is a how it works video. This is part 1, and in part 2 I'll tell you how to make this. Say okay. Part B speech. Okay, let's start now. Hi sir, say subscribe.
Subscribe.
See guys, even AI agrees with me. Hey guys, stay for one more thing. Play YouTube videos. This can also play YouTube videos. Record by music. And one last function I wanted to show you in this video of my project. Let's do play. Let's do what is the time right now? See, it printed the time and the date. So guys, subscribe and stay tuned for part 2 where I tell you how to make this whole thing. And I'll tell you the whole basics of how to make this, and we'll go to the like how to make servers and how to make it actually listen to your voice and detect it. See you in the next video. I'll post this on my Replit. Bye.